Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, and welcome to my quick tips on ear prompters number 2. I talked about ear prompters once before, and I had told you that I was going to follow up and give you a little bit more information. In case you didn't see the first one, first you should go back to howtomodel.com, click on the blog link, and then you can watch it. But essentially, you're going to use an ear prompter when you have a tremendous amount of dialogue that you're just not going to be able to easily memorize. Sometimes it might be for an industrial or training film if you're doing a live event and you just have pages and pages and pages of copy. They can be really helpful. So just so you can see this, here's a little earpiece, looks like a hearing aid. Shove that in your ear. I have a wireless earpiece, so this thing actually, goes around your neck, gets plugged into I use a micro cassette. Some people, most people are using digital ones. I like the micro cassette only because you can hit reverse and forward really easily and find your spot. And so here's one of the tricks for making it successful for you and a good way to practice. Very first thing is I'm going to record just a little bit of copy onto the cassette, just so you get a sense of what it's like. So here's how you want to start. You want to give it a countdown so you know when you're going to be coming in. And also you have to make sure the words are very clean, very clear. You say it at a similar pace as to how you're going to actually read it. So it's going to go like this. 3, 2, find something belonging to each of the children in the second picture. Write a N1 plus V plus where sentence about it. Okay, stuff doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewind this. Normally this would be completely silent. It's sitting in my ear, but just so you can actually see it, here's what you're going to do. You need to wait until the third word pops into your ear. Then you start talking. You do not want to start talking as soon as you hear yourself talk, because then it's going to be impossible to do this. So I'm going to play this out loud so you can hear it and you can follow me. And it's going to be a little bit hard to hear, but you want to wait until the third word starts in your ear, then you start talking.
3, 2,
find something belonging to each of the children in the second picture. Write a N1. That's the idea. I know that sounds very confusing, but here's what you have to do. I'm telling you, you record it. As soon as you hear the third word, you start talking. So you're always 3 words behind. That's how you make it smooth. So the way you can practice this, you can just grab a magazine, a newspaper, doesn't make any difference. And you can either just use a little micro cassette tape recorder, and you can use even a hardwire, something pretty inexpensive that you can buy in any electronics store, so you don't have to invest in a wireless one at this point, and it will give you the opportunity to really be able to do this smoothly. For people who aren't very good at it, when you're watching them, you kind of see their eyes roll up into their heads. They're like sharks who they're trying to hear the next word. But you'll get it. So anyhow, if you have any questions at all, always feel free. Go to facebook.com/howtomodel. And please like the page so that way you can continue to get new information from me. If you are watching this on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up. And you can also visit my website, howtomodel.com. You can sign up there to be on my special mailing list and get 3 incredible videos absolutely free that will be very helpful to you. I'm Aaron Marcus, and I look forward to talking with you again soon.